Menteri Rangba Sarkar Jelau konrat ke sangma mentakla siubleng ke spotere unai wing arjap san lawan ban play ya ke jingra ke dap san post nem ne ke jubilee siar jong ka amnaram civil subdivision ke bade ke subdivision ke bla rem tam hapok jela ya ke ne ke program on rakhe haboro sisnam lynter ya ka ba on penkun ha ka khat artere unai wing arjap rio alor ka phang ka ba ong amnaram at 50 the legacy of leadership the promise of tomorrow. Agani ke sengi lawan bandon lang nadu MLA ke than malak men rembui ubade menteri katanat puli puthi uba sustenance sorten menteri katanat CNRD blang u DC ko West Jantia Wabhinav Kumar Singh u Jakpal Singh Dhanu IPS ka Anandya Rajshri IS SDO Amnaram ki MDC ke than ki Daloy ki officer sarkar bat ki paipa nongsong shnong ka than ya ke jingilang la pelong hamadan amlaram government LP school nakaliang deputy commissioner ko West Jandil district ulapin sngo shapang ke jing riu spa jong kathan amlaram nadu ki marpo khando bat khamtam ye ki jaka jungokai perthai ki bla pau e nadu ki lom ki shat ki wa ba khoj ki kram bat ki we de da ka ba ong ru ba ka amlaram civil subdivision kadan Mar Kapur pat kari Bangladesh. La pensnguru yak amnaram civil subdivision la sengnadu kat kendai spa nyupun riu da ke jingilam ki riu shampang ki bala bam kwai hadwar play kata nadu ki nongilam shnong ki MLA ki MDC bat ki pat nyong shong shnong jang kate ka than. Nakaliang ka sinjo ki wahi shnong warjantia lingba president ma ti rumboy kilai ti ya ka memorandum hau menteri rangba ki badan hadu pratali ki mat jingdawa nadu ka mini secretariat ka jingpen pha ya rukam pinpoi umbam umdi ka jing siang rang ya ki surang ka jingpen pha ki PHC ban pentre kampura ya ka office EEPWD hapo ka than ka jingpen pha ya ka amnaram secondary school ya ka veterinary and dispensary but ban pentre kampura ya ka amnaram police outpost hapo ka amnaram civil subdivision
nakalong hay na huray hay la ne nekendo chow o la ne nekendo ho o
amana adina yaka jaya he Bharat bhagya vidata
ya ka honorarium joni kabani trai menta kalong tang at gas benai perhat se mapi kidor ke lakiu imali mataro ke lakiu sangriu kenta ni trai hakasisni te kalong bae tasaga wani balai lai sau benai ka honorarium joni ka pending kita jadi place pun.
The pending amount, I will ensure that it's clear at the reason for the pending.
Sir, we have just received the second installment last week. So on the 5th, which was last Wednesday itself, we had processed. So 6th, 7th was a holiday, even 8th also was a bank holiday. So from today onwards, sir?
Yeah.
From today onwards,
By when will they get it? Just another time.
Sir, the next 2-3 days, the honorarium for this. Ya ka honorarium nila ada proses no, naman niyo aslam ya kini second installment for government of India. Ye nadu ka sni Wednesday ngala ada proses Thursday, Friday, Saturday kung tetap kini syuti. Ye nadu benta ngala phone cipo officer ki ong makilasan credit cheki account jengki ko kam helpers. Tekan cimpor kumba airlines ni ay naman kumba pitip ngidan kumba khajar tam ki ko kam helpers tahi ini ki Indian ni airlines ni baro ini yon lebih kan honorarium mo. Tekan jingli ka ba ar jengki hagawe day patka enhancement. Sir, regarding enhancement, last time when we had a review meeting in Delhi, so we had put forward a proposal. So there was a uniform proposal from Meghalaya and Tripura to enhance the honorarium from the current 2,000 to 8,000 rupees, sir. And that was highlighted in the review meeting in Delhi, sir. Okay.
Also, we will continue to work with complete dedication towards the people of this area and especially the citizens of Amlaram Civil Subdivision. As a government, it has always been our endeavor to bring the administration closer to the people. If you have seen in the past 7.5 years, two very important things we have been doing when it comes to administration. Number one, we have been trying to expand the different offices, whether new civil subdivisions, new blocks, and other administrative offices. We have tried to open as many of them as possible so that more service can be given to our people and our citizens. Second, we have also realized that opening new offices is not the only thing that we should do, but ensuring that the existing offices work in a much better way is again another area of big concern. It is based on that, if you have seen that in the last 7.5 years, all 46 existing blocks got new buildings in the block offices. All of them. And all the new block offices, 10 of them were created. Funds have been sanctioned for all the 10 block offices to have a new office building. Because we realized that without having the infrastructure, no matter how many offices we may have, we will not be able to provide the service to our people. This thought process has gone into every aspect of governance. You look at the government schools. Under the leadership of Mr. Lakman Rimboy, in the last term, we started the mission education. There was a massive challenge in front of us, where the education department came and said we'll require over 2,000 crores if we have to revamp all the schools and colleges in the state. I remember during that presentation, Malakman and I, we were